let us learn about polynomials, powers, and addition and subtraction. So let us go ahead and evaluate, say, 4x minus y squared, where x is -2 and y is +3. So where there is x, I put -2, then minus y is 3, so this is 3, then squared, right? So 4 multiplied by -2 is -8, then minus 3 squared is 9, then -8 minus 9 is -17. So the expression for x minus y squared when x is -2 and y is 3 gives us -17. What about the expression 5x squared? Okay, this becomes 5. Where there is x, I put -2 squared. Okay, but you know that this is just 5. -2 squared is +4. Then 5 multiplied by +4 is 20. Now look at this expression. The expression is 3x squared plus 6x minus y to the power 3. Let us go ahead and substitute. Where there is x, I put -2. This is squared plus 6, -2 minus 3, everybody squared. Now I write 3, -2 squared is 4. Then this becomes minus, right, because 6 multiplied by -2 is -12. Then I have minus 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, I get 27, okay? From the left, I multiply 3 and 4, I get 12, minus 12, then minus 27, okay? But 12 minus 12 is 0, right? So 12 minus 12 is 0, so this cancels. I remain with, this is -27, okay? Now, in the next question here, let us identify the constant in this expression, right? So we have 15x squared plus 2. So a constant term is a term that has no variable. So here the constant that is independent of a variable is 2. Okay, so that constant is 2. Let us go ahead and classify the polynomial 2x squared plus 9x plus 4. Is this a monomial, binomial, or trinomial? Okay, so obviously this is a trinomial. Why? Because it is a polynomial which is a sum of 3 terms. A binomial is a polynomial of 2 terms, and a monomial is just 1 term. So for example, I can write maybe 2x as a monomial. Then if I write x plus 1, this is a binomial, that is 2 terms, okay?